Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact steel grade, dimensions, and protective equipment. This matters because wrong material ruins the process. Once you've measured and marked to 0, 5 mm accuracy, clamp the piece firmly in the vise so it won't shift. Make sure ventilation is on and tools are within reach. Having files, hammers, and heat sources organized saves time. Begin the first cut or heat step immediately after setup. Don't over-explain. Just act with steady, deliberate movements to establish rhythm and control. You heat the area you need to shape to the steel's working temperature and then form it quickly. This avoids brittle zones. Once formed, cool slowly or quench as required by the specification, and then reheat for refinement if residual stress appears. Make sure to work in small increments, hammer, bend, or roll, and measure after each pass so the piece stays within tolerance. If alignment drifts, stop, reheat, and correct. Methodical repetition yields consistent shape and predictable material behavior. You finish by grinding and smoothing to remove scale and bring surfaces to spec, then inspect dimensions and fit. Use feel and calipers for a final check. Once satisfied, apply the appropriate protective treatment, oil, paint, or passivation, so the piece resists corrosion. If problems arise, such as cracking or warping, stop and assess. Small cracks often need localized reheating and controlled cool. Severe issues may require remaking the section. One key troubleshooting tip: reheat gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.